Okay, so this exercise now is going to be the standing shoulder press with the barbell, okay? The way we're going to start it is with the feet, okay, slightly wider than shoulder width apart, okay? Bend the knees slightly so the knees are nice and soft. We're going to keep, okay, the midsection nice and tight and a nice brace from there. Okay, so from there, the bar will be racked. You take hold of then the bar from that position. Okay, now with the hands, what we're looking for is just slightly wider than shoulder width from there. So as we're pressing, the hands are on line with the elbows as we press. If you're too narrow, you're going to have this. Okay, yeah, and you don't want to have it too wide there. Actually, for me, that's actually not too bad at that position there. So what we're looking for, hands slightly wider than shoulder width there. And then from that position, you can just push straight up. So the hands are on line with the elbows as we're pressing up and then back down, like so. Again, as you're doing this now, keeping the torso and midsection nice and tight all the way through. So you tense in the stomach slightly, okay, there. And we're not overextending, okay, trying to push up. So as you get tired, keep the stomach nice and tight, push straight up, okay, yeah, be disciplined with it all the way through. Try not to be doing this, okay, yeah, hyperextending. So we're going to come down, stomach tight, push it up, back down, up, back down, like so. And that is your shoulder press done.